Hi, it's Hadreset and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on Nothing Phone 4a. So first go into the settings, scroll down into the system and system updates. If you have any updates, then download them. Then scroll from the top and open Wi-Fi settings. Disable Wi-Fi and enable it again. Then if you are already connected with any Wi-Fi, then click the gear next to it, disconnect and forget. Then try to, right here, typing in the password and connecting. If none of this worked, then try to restart your phone and the router. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.